Now let's take a quick look at arithmetic operations in Python. It's almost the way you would use a calculator. Very similarly, you can use your Python terminal or your Jupyter notebook. The first four operators are very important, of course. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So plus, minus, 4 plus 7, 12 minus 5. Use a star like in most programming languages. You say 6 star 6. And division is 30 slash 5 or 30 divided by 5. Modulus is what is left over when you do 10 divided by 4. It's 2, 8 plus 2. The quotient is how many times it goes over. An exponent is the power. 3 star star 5 is 3 raised to 5, which is 243. With that said, let's go over and look at it in our Jupyter notebook. Let's now see some arithmetic, right? It's not only integer arithmetic. So print 5 plus 9, print A, print 16 minus 9. When we do that, 5 plus 9 is 14, A gets printed, and 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay, multiplication is 3 star 15, so that's just 45. And if you do 15 divided by 7, it's 2.1428. When we do 29 slash 6, you get 4, because 6 fours are 24, and then there's still a 5 remaining. Okay, that's what is going on. 7 goes 2 times fully in 15. So you can see 17 divided by 3, 17 slash 3 is 5, because it goes 3 5s are 15. 17 star 3 is the remainder, right? So that should be a 2. It's interesting, 5 star 3 plus 2. So will it do 5 star 5 as in 3 plus 2, 5 times 5, or will it do 5 star 3, 15 plus 2? It'll do 15 plus 2, 17 because of board mass. Okay, you can read there's an order in which it executes. 2 raised to the 4 is 16. 2 by 7 is what, 0.28, so it's be 28% or so, 28.57. Okay, and then power 5 squared is 25, minus 12 should be 13, and you can do the math here. Okay, so I printed. That's how arithmetic operators work. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch all the other videos about strings and control of flow. Thank you for your time.